Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Suji or Rava or Semolina is a very versatile ingredient which gives a wonderful texture and lighter cake. So here I am with a eggless Suji or Rava cake in Kadai. Take 1 cup semolina, add to a grinder jar and grind it well to a powder form. Add this to a bowl. Now add 1 cup milk, half cup curd and mix well. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Take 1/3 cup milk, add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well. Buttermilk is ready. Keep it aside. Take another bowl. Add half cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt and sieve the ingredients. Now add half cup powdered sugar to it. Mix them all together. Now take the semolina, add half cup oil and mix well. Add the dry ingredients and buttermilk and mix them well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Batter is ready now. Take a non-stick kadai with butter paper and grease it with oil. Pour the batter in it. Tap it once. Now add tutti frutti on the top Cook it on low flame for 40 to 45 minutes, or you can bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 50 minutes. Cover the lid hole with foil. Once done, check it. Semolina or Rava cake is ready now. This is not too sweet, so you can enjoy this cake with your tea, and also a best kids tiffin box recipe. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.